Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So before we get started, please, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. As majority of you watching this video right now are not a subscriber, you probably must have found this video, through the search link. So this is one of the reasons why I wanted to subscribe, so you get an update from me. So we did analysis yesterday, which is for the 7th, right? I told you guys that gold will actually open and close bullish, that we should be expecting a bullish move on our gold. Guess what we've gotten on this gold? We've actually opened and closed bullish. We even did analysis for the 6th, right? If you and most of you watched it, I told you guys that gold would also open and close bullish, which we did. For the 7th, we'd also want to have a bullish move, right? Which we actually did. Now we would want to see this analysis for the 8th of December. So before we actually get there, before I'll tell you what to be making, right? I'm going to analyze it from the beginning and you will be able to understand it. So first of all, when we open these assets, right, before you actually want to consider taking a trade, you will ask yourself, one of the questions you ask yourself is that what is the trend for this movement, right? Is be it want to trade your currency, be it you want to trade your commodity, be it you want to trade crypto, or any asset, or be it you want to trade stocks. What you ask yourself is that what is the trend for this? So we clearly can see that this gold itself is an uptrend move. So you are clearly seeing an higher highs and an higher lows, right? That is the question you'll be asking yourself: higher highs and an higher lows, right? Now that we know that this trend is an higher highs and higher lows, the second question we would ask ourselves is that have a pullback been made? So we clearly can see that yes, a pullback have been made. Assuming we are at this level, right, whereby price have gone up good massively, we've had a good amount of bullish move, then we would be expecting a pullback anytime soon, and we would know that a pullback will be bearish. So we would try to watch out for it. Possibly, if you want to go long on this gold, right, and you know that pullback is about to be made, all you just have to do is just wait for the pullback to be made, then you can go ahead to go long. But clearly, we can see that a pullback have been made on this gold, right? Now that the pullback have been made, so what do we expect next? A new high. So definitely we would want to continue to go up on this our gold, at least we to take out this ice, right? This is our previous ice, right? Previous higher ice price have gotten to. Price got to this higher ice, then price give us a pullback. Now we are making a new ice. Therefore, we would be expecting this new ice to break this previous ice. So gold, we would still be expecting a bullish move. So that is to tell you that since we actually opened and closed bullish on the 6th, we also opened and closed bullish on the 7th, and these movements have not taken out this highs. That is to tell you that for the 8th of December, we would also open and close bullish. So we would want to see a bullish move on our gold. We want to see at least if you can see a 1% movement, if you can grab 1% movement, or you can grab 100 pips or 150 pips on this gold movement. I mean, it is still not bad. So we would still be expecting this gold to give us a bullish move. So the third question you also ask yourself is that this moving average, which we will be using 10 period moving average, right? You want to ask yourself, is this price above this moving average or below? So clearly we can see that this price was below this moving average previously. One of the reasons why it is not a good opportunity to actually take this trade, especially when it is an uptrend move and this price eventually drops and it is below this 10 period moving average. It is of no brainer. Just do not take this trade. Be patient. But clearly we can see that this price is above our moving average, right? And it is an uptrend move, and we are expecting this price to even move further up, and it is above our moving average, then definitely it is now time for us to actually go ahead to take this trade on this our good. So we will be expecting a bullish move. So that is the three questions we need to ask side. So that is to tell you that gold for the next day, which is for the 8th, we will also open and close bullish. Now I'm going to tell you this. We all know this correlation between USD or DXY, USD index or DXY to our gold. We tend to see once there's a bullish move on DXY or USD index, this is DXY. Once we start having a bullish move on this DXY, then gold tends to drop. We see previously at this period, right? USD index was giving us a bullish move, right? We can see USD index or DXY was giving us a bullish move. It was at that same period that we were having a bearish move on this our gold, right? We are having a bearish move. But if you take a look at this recent movement on DXY, when you take a look at this recent movement on DXY, you see it here. We've been dropping massively, right? at that period that this gold has been giving us a bullish move. So I've done analysis, right? Once there's a drop on USD or DXY, then we're expecting a bullish move on this gold. So we clearly can see that this USD index we are bearish. So let's quickly do some analysis on it. By the way, I will be doing analysis on DXY or USD index. Check the channel to watch it and understand this movement. So this is the DXY, a drop, a pullback, right? A drop again, right? We had a pullback at this level, which failed to break this previous lower highs, a new lows which broke this previous lower lows, and a lower highs have been made. Guess what we are expecting next on this DXY? A drop. So as long as we will be expecting a drop on this DXY or USD index, then be expecting a bullish move on this gold to USD. So gold USD will also see a bullish move for the 8th. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says, so we would know how to place this trend. So we can clearly see that we are seeing an higher highs and higher lows on this 4-hour time frame. First of all, is this price above this moving average? That's the question is yes. Since this price is above our moving average, then we should look for a way to go long. Second question is that see this, what is the trend? This is we are seeing a multiple break of structure. We can see higher highs, higher lows, right? New highs, you can see that broke the previous highs, and here comes the correction. Now a new highs have been made, so you can see that this gold is bullish, right? We would want to go up, right? Let's see if this price will be able to hit a level of 1,800 today. If possibly it will hit it, but I don't think it will. I think we should be able to hit it within for the 8th and for the 9th, within 8th of December and 9th of December. At least we should be able to hit a level of 1,800. But as at now, we are still going bullish. So if you want to be patient enough, if you want, I would not suggest it to you. I'm just suggesting. I'm not trying to say you should go ahead to do it. I'm just suggesting probably you can wait for a pullback on this gold before you enter to go long. And if you want to go long straight up, to a level of 1,800, which I very much believe we are going to hit within, either 8th of December or 9th of December. If you want to go ahead to hit a level of 1,800, then there's no problem. And if you want to wait for a pullback to be made before you go ahead to take your long on gold, then there's still no problem. So above all, gold, you would also see a bullish move for the next day.